got that one. So here's the fixture. It's going to be page 176. We got that one. It's going to be a linear indirect light T5HO fluorescent. Now, when you guys go to that fixture, here's what I just downloaded it for you. It's going to be, here's the fixture. That's from online. If you go online, you should be able to find Lithonia, and which you must go there, guys. I don't want this one. If you go to Lithonia website, Acuity Brands, if you go to Peerless, it's a Peerless fixture. It is, if you look at the side here, Adam, right here, it's a Peerless fixture right on the side of the, so it's a Peerless fixture. All the fixture that we're using, guys, is from Acuity Brands. Here's the fixture. Okay, what does it do for living? Here's how it looks like. Can you guys see that? It's here's the fixture. How the fixture? It's direct indirect light. We're going to be using. Here's the catalog number. How many lamps you can use in it, right? And it's going to be. We're using a T5. Can you guys 28 T5 right here? Distribution, different distribution patterns and shields and what's not, voltages and what's not. You can pick the catalog number here for that particular fixture. But that's a fixture that we can use. You can have 4 feet and 8 foot and 12 feet. It looks like some of these fixtures they come. Here's the distribution pattern. Matthew, remember just a second ago we were talking about the distribution patterns up and down. This is how this fixture, depending on how many lamps you guys can do, you can shoot up and down. Can you guys see that distribution pattern for this fixture? So when everything is done, you guys are supposed to print this one and copy it, make a hard copy for Chad, and put it in your portfolio. That's your cut sheet for your lighting fixture. So I just grabbed that one for you. They're so easy to find. All of them are in Lithonia. If you follow the book, it's so easy to find, guys. Very, very easy. Okay, so let's go try to shoot for this one, guys. The example that they have is 10CRM4 and 28T5. Can you guys see that catalog number right here? Let's try to find that one in visual when we're looking for this light fixture. Now, the last thing I want to tell you guys is the location that we're going to be using. Here's the open office area. The open office area, gentlemen, it's going to be, oops, let's go put it at 200. Okay. Here's the open office area. This is how it's going to look like. This is PDF. You guys have the PDF file. Can you guys see how I'm going to track this open office area? That's how I'm going to track my open office area. All this is open office. The open office, the ceiling is 11.5 feet ceiling, and I'm going to suspend it. So 11.5, if we suspend it at the open office 11, if we suspend it at 1.5 feet, let's put it at 1.5 feet, that will leave us overlighting fixture height of what? 10. Did you guys hear me? We're going to have a ceiling of 11.5 and a fixture height of 10. Everybody knows why? Because these are suspended ceiling, suspended fixture. They're direct and direct light. Everybody can see, guys, how we're going to do that. So 11.5, keep this in mind, and 10. All right, let's go directly into visual. Everybody's visual is open. Do me a favor, please. Go open your visual and let's go do that. One more time. Any comments, guys? Any questions about what we're going to be doing? Any comments? Any questions? So what I would like to do is go track this open office. Can you guys give me a thumbs up when your open office is open? Karen, yours is done. Adam, you're open. Okay. So what we're going to follow. So what I picked the open office. We picked the lighting fixture. We're going to go draw the box, have a height for the box, and so forth. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's start with construct. Can you guys see where it says construct? Room, hit construct, hit room, non-rectangle. Everybody can see that? Everybody got that one? Karen, everybody good? We're going to construct non-rectangle. Why non-rectangle? Do you see how the shape? That shape is ugly, man. So we're going to grab this. Everybody got that one, guys? The first thing you need to name it, we're going to name it open office. What number was that? What was the number? Thank you, 126. Open office 126. Before you start, right underneath it, do you guys see what the height, the default height is? Derek, it's 10. We're going to do, now remember, this is the height of the ceiling. Now the height of the fixture, we're going to put it 11.5. So please change this one to 11.5. Do you guys see the reflection and what's not? We leave the reflection as is, ceiling reflection, typical ceiling reflection. If you know, otherwise you do it. Okay, everybody's there. Can I have thumbs up? Everybody's good? Adam, good there? Yes, no? Karen? Okay, so can you guys see where the snap is here? Go get your snap as small as you can right here, so you can zoom into it. And you're going to start from this corner, basically. Can you guys see where I started with this corner? It doesn't matter if you, and basically trace it. Can you guys see how I'm tracing the open office area? Everybody can see that? I'm tracing my open office area all the way here, here. When you guys are done, let me know. You might be faster than me. Okay, so I'm tracing the whole open office area. And don't sweat it too hard if you overlap with some little furniture and what's not where. And right click. When you're done, right click. I must have used, I hate this, structural, construct. Okay. Any comments, guys? Everybody's there? Right? Did you guys build it? Can you guys look at it when you're done? Give me a thumbs up when you're done, please, with that constructing it. Yes, no? Adam, did it work for you? Okay. Did it? Okay. Okay, continue with the other one then. If you did it, continue with the other one. So, okay, so that's your fixture. Matthew, good? Okay. Now let's go, guys, to the other one. Now zoom it on it this way and go to calculation. Go to calculation, calculation. We need to go calculation by surface. Can you guys see that? You need a surface calculation by, I'm sorry, not calculation zone. Make sure you go to calculation zone, calculation by surface. Everybody's there? Yes, no? Click on that one. Now I would like you guys to name this one the same thing, Open Office. Open Office 126. And the height right now is sitting at 0. Do me a favor, change the height to 2.5. If any of these heights are not right, guys, I would not accept your project if it's a different height. And then go touch the bottom. Can you guys see the bottom here? Now you can see it will create a calculation zone 2.5 feet off the floor. And right click, and ladies and gentlemen, you have just calculated. Can you guys see your calculation zone? Can you guys, Adam, you're done. Karen, Derek, can you guys give me a thumbs up when you're there? Matthew, good. You guys are ahead of me. So if you're ahead of me, please jump into the other fixture and start doing it. Okay, so that's it. So we got the calculation zone, guys. Now we need to go place our fixture. We're going to go place our fixture. So let's go to the lighting fixture. When we place fixture, go to Luminaire. Schedule. Click on the schedule. And a new, can you guys see that new fixture? We need a new fixture. When you guys go to new fixture, I hope you downloaded this one. Did you guys download Peerless Lighting? Is you Peerless Lighting downloaded for you? Peerless Lighting, yes? Okay. Now let's go. How do I know it's Peerless? The question would be, how do I know Peerless? Karen, can you guys see here? The side, it says Peerless Lighting. That's what's going to decide which type of fixture is going to go. Okay, so let's go to Peerless. And what type of fixture? It's called pendant. So here, see, actually it's CR7. Can you guys see it right here? Peerless CR7. Here's a fixture. And I need indirect, so I have indirect light, partial, CR7, any wall. Here's my option. Let's use indirect lighting fixture. CR7, 1. Do I see a CR7? Anybody see a CR7? 7, 1. Let me see if this one. 3, partially indirect. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, partial performation. This looks like partial that give us direct indirect one. How do I know that, guys? If you look at this 7, it says 7CRM2 give you indirect light. Where are they? I don't know why they're X though, but it says 4. Yeah, let's use that one. You know why? Derek, if you look at this picture, if you can see 7CMR2, can you see that one little one? Yeah. It gives you the actually direct indirect. Okay, everybody got that one? Yes, no? You got it? I'm using the partial performation just because it has the 2 in it. Well, I'm not sure if this is the best performance. So 7.5 feet, or maybe a direct indirect, 7.5 wide by 2.5 indirect light. Yeah, let's use. Okay, so it looks like this is direct indirect. Can you see that, guys? Everybody got that? Any one of these guys could, at this point, any one of them would get you there. So do me a favor. I'm going to go to T5. Okay, let's go to T5HO. Here's a fixture. Here's one of these fixtures. Let's see what that fixture has in it. I have 35 partial, the lamps that they're using. It's a 5,000 watt lumen in it, and it's 2 lamps, it looks like, in it. Direct, indirect. Let's see if we can get this one with 2 lamps. Start with this one. Everybody got that? Shall we? Okay, double click on it. Let's go use this one. So here's the fixture that came with us. Is Peerless. It's named D now. So if it's going to be different in your plans, guys, you can go ahead and rename it differently. Can you guys see the loss factor? Let's go put the loss factor at 0.82. Everybody can see that? 0.82, the loss factor for that fixture. And it's fixture D. Peerless light, we use 7CRM2, 254 T5, so 52 bulbs, 54 watt, I believe, each at T5. T5 is the bulb is so small, guys. It gives you a lot of lights, So here's the fixture that you're using. It's a 2 fluorescent, 54 watt, and what's not all the information. 2 lamps. Can I have thumbs up, Chad, fully? Look at the watts. How many watts are taking this? They're eating 120 watt. Cool. Everybody's good with that? Okay. Now we have a fixture. Now let's go place the fixture, guys. Place. When you hit place, it defaults you to this lighting fixture that you just installed. Can you guys see that? It defaults you to, everybody hit one more time. Hit place. Cool. Hit place. Here's your fixtures that you have. I want you guys to default to this fixture. Now I'm holding that fixture in my hand. So I can orient it. Let's go to orient it to 180. See what 180 will give me. Oops, 180. All right, so I don't want to do that. Okay, I made a mistake with that one. This take property. Click on property. Go here. Click on it. Made a mistake, guys. Right click. Property. Pick it up. Where's my delete function? Hit delete, I guess. Home. Delete. Right click. Here you go. So one more time. Go to Luminaire. Luminaire. Click on your fixture. At the height. Can you guys do me a favor? The height is 10. It comes at a 10. And I'm going to go put this one to 0 like I did. And this. And then try. They're sitting at 10. Let's try to build a system right in here. So you need to place your fixture. Here's one fixture here. And what you can do, either you can place them like this, guys, or you can just copy them. I'm just placing them right now. which is not a good idea to place him because then you can't evenly. So you can just drop him here, and then here's my fixtures. Then you can copy them, home. You can start copy. Where's my copy function? Move copy. Here's my copy function. You can copy that fixture at, can you see, at whatever, at 5 feet, every 5 feet. Here you go. You can give you every 5 feet, for example, when you hit your copy. And I'm going to go down here and copy them. So that's where you can build your system. And this is really the hardest one to do. And then, okay, hit skip. And then you can, like you said, you can, I drop these 10. The fixtures are 10. I want to go delete the ones that I put randomly here. I think that was one of them, and that was, I think that was one of them. Now I got that one of them. Okay, so delete. Okay, so then you place your fixture, guys. The best way to place your fixture, Karen, is to drop one and copy it. Did you guys hear me? And then when you're done, do you see where the calculation zone is? Hit calculate, and off it goes with your calculation. Off it goes with your calculation. Here's your open office. Right now, I'm sitting at an average of 14.1. Obviously, I need, how much do I need? Do you guys remember how much I need? 40. Do you see how easy that is? Now, to make sure that your fixture in the right location, guys, look at it always in 3D. Can you guys see, Matthew, can you see where how your fixtures are suspended right here? As they should. As they should. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Comments, questions? So, like I said, I would suggest, guys, is to, when you drop one or two of them and do your calculation, let's see, you can home modify, use the copy function and click on any one of them and copy them. That will drop them at different locations from where they should be. There you go. They're sitting at 5. So you can copy them at a certain location and then recalculate. Okay. Now for you guys, you would be, don't drop the most important thing. Don't drop them randomly. Drop one and copy it vertically so they line up. They line up, and that's like, you see how we did this one, guys? How we line them up. Make sure you do the calculation, copy them, and drop them, and first drop and then copy so they can line up. Always calculate, and when you calculate, guys, it will populate the. Look at that, we're at 18, and I'm not even there yet. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Any comments? Any questions? This particular fixture, Karen, is actually this particular fixture can be, you can do it back to back. So you can copy this one if you so decided. Right click and set this one at 0. You can see that you can copy them right here. You make a line out of them, and I'm just dumping fixtures over fixtures and what's not. So you can you might give a better performance. You might get a better performance. Can I get your attention for a second here? You might get a better performance if you line them up, guys, end to end like these. End to end. You can get a better performance if you line them up end to end. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Comments, questions? The question would be is where to start first. And that's always, this is really the hardest one to start with, this particular one. But if you want to line them up vertical or horizontal, guys, and make a line starting from here all the way. Here's 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, to wherever. See what I mean? Line them up this way, and you might have to throw a fixture here or what's not. Here's one way of doing it. Line them up. When I say line them up end to end, you put fixture end to end and make a line. Do you guys hear me? And then run your calculation. I need thumbs up, Chad. We have enough information to run our lighting calculation. From Adam? Yes, no? Okay. Derek? Enough info with monkeying around. I'll be around, Karen. Does it make sense? Okay. Um, the science of dropping your fixture, guys, if it's, this is a kind of an odd shaped room, like I threw these three here. Typically, when we place lighting fixture in a room, we're coming to it next chapter. When you place them, if you have a room, you put on one fixture, you put it right in the middle of the fixture. Did you guys hear me? If you have two fixtures, you space them evenly inside the room. You have three fixtures, the same thing, space them evenly. That's the best way of getting a best performance of your fixture. We're going to be doing calculation, let you guys putz around with them and drop them and so forth, that we can adjust them. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Any comments? Any questions? The rest of them, every other space, you just draw the box or the room, put the calculation zone, guys, and do your calculation. I want to remind you guys of a couple of rules if you forgot from last week. When you drop them, the height of the ceiling is 10 everywhere except the open office 11 and a half. Mechanical room and shipping room is 13. In the mechanical room and the shipping room, Adam and Brian, my friends, we will be suspending them at 1.5 to 2 feet, suspended light fixture. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Comments, questions? Okay. Shall we be able to run with it, guys? Yes, no? Okay. Thank you.